The bull market on Wall Street has been running strong for 6.5 years. It could be ending quickly. Worldwide economic jitters tonight before Monday's open. The Dow plummeted 531 points in its last session on Friday, wrapping up its worst week since 2011. The 10% drop from the Dow's record high in May pushed it officially into correction territory. Here to explain what is happening and what she's watching out for now is Jill Schlesinger. Jill, always good to see you. We should mention the Dow is in correction territory. The S&P and NASDAQ are not. What are you watching out for?
All eyes on China. Now, all of this selling really started in China. The fear is that China's economy is slowing down. Their market there has been in a bear market, down more than 20% over the last few months. But the fear is that with the slowdown in China, it drags down the rest of the world. Part of the problem is that China's been gobbling up a lot of oil, and the demand for oil is dropping. We've now seen oil prices drop from last year 62%. That's hurt big countries like Brazil, also hurting Russia. So now we're trying to see, is the Chinese government going to try to intervene, push more money into that economy to try to stimulate it? We'll have to wait and see this week.
We should mention corrections do happen.
This is a normal part of markets, really. I mean, they usually occur every year or so. We've been long overdue, more than 4 years since the last correction. I should note that 4 years ago in 2011, the economy was in not such great shape. We were worried about the debt ceiling crisis. Now we've got the labor market improving. We also have the housing market improving a great deal. And one thing you should remember, if you're a long-term investor and you're putting money in your retirement plan, the good news is you're buying shares cheaper, so you probably shouldn't do much of anything. Stick to that game plan.
That said, though, speaking of those share prices, some major American companies are down big right now.
Yes. I mean, look at Apple, an iconic company, down 21% from its recent high. But other big Dow components, we've got ExxonMobil off 28%, Walmart down nearly 27%, Procter & Gamble down 23%. These companies are telling us that there is a lot of fear out there in the marketplace.
And you're expecting a bumpy ride on Monday.
Fasten your seatbelts. Look, corrections don't usually just end exactly at 10%. We often will overshoot it. But again, if you're a long-term investor, please, you shouldn't be altering your game plan. Stick to that strategy. And you know what? When you're looking ahead and you're thinking about what's going to happen, is the Fed going to raise rates or not, it won't really impact you. You're a long-term investor. Stick to your plan.
Jill Schlesinger. Jill, thanks very much.
Thank you.